Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make Game Pass in Please Donate. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to, of course, open our browser and then open your Roblox website or account. So if we go right here on the Please Donate, as you can see, this is currently my stand. So I have here a 100 Robux Game Pass. Same goes for the 500 Robux Game Pass right here. Now to create this, what we're going to do right here is to go back into our website. And then in this part, we're going to click on Create. What you would want to do is to click on Creations. And then once you click Creations, we're going to click on our place, which is right here. So click on that. And then in this part, just look for the passes. So it is under monetization and then just click passes right here. And then in this part, you will be able to see create pass. So we're going to click on create a pass right here. And then in this part, if you want to change the picture, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then for the name, let's say for example that this is 50 Robux donation. And then for the description, I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click create pass. Now, once you do that, as you can see, we now have this. So what we're going to do next is to click on that Game Pass. And then in this part, click on the sales and then turn on the item for sale, which is right here. Now we're going to put our price. So we're going to put 50. And then after that, we're going to click on save changes. Once you update that, all you have to do is to go back into the game. So if you don't see it right here, all you have to do is to restart the game. So we're going to close this and then reopen Please Donate. So we're going to go back into Roblox. And then once you do that, just look for a stand. And then if you claim this, you will now be able to see the 50 Robux donation. So that is basically it.